Stop by and take a look at the 2015 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, cruise control, pre-collision system, driver attention alert system, voice-activated navigation system, trip computer, trip odometer, compass, clock. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.